美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
我想取1000万美元。
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
I want to withdraw 10 million US dollars.
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
保持联系。
Keep in touch.
Keep in touch.
I have to say goodbye to you.
I have to say goodbye to you.
我不得不和你说再见了。
I have to say goodbye to you.
I have to say goodbye to you.
I look forward to your trip to USA.
I look forward to your trip to USA.
我期待你去美国旅行。
I look forward to your trip to USA.
I look forward to your trip to USA.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
我祝你有个愉快的旅途。
I wish you a pleasant journey.
I wish you a pleasant journey.
Take care.
Take care.
保重。
Take care.
Take care.
I will miss you so much.
I will miss you so much.
我会非常想念你的。
I will miss you so much.
I will miss you so much.
What's in your parcel?
What's in your parcel?
您的包裹里都有什么？
What's in your parcel?
What's in your parcel?
Do you have any cartons?
Do you have any cartons?
你们这有纸箱吗？
Do you have any cartons?
Do you have any cartons?
Do you want your parcel insured?
Do you want your parcel insured?
您的包裹需要保价吗？
Do you want your parcel insured?
Do you want your parcel insured?
Let me weigh it.
Let me weigh it.
我来称一下。
Let me weigh it.
Let me weigh it.
Please put it on the scale.
Please put it on the scale.
请把它放在秤上。
Please put it on the scale.
Please put it on the scale.
I want to send a letter to my mom.
I want to send a letter to my mom.
我想给我妈妈寄一封信。
I want to send a letter to my mom.
I want to send a letter to my mom.
May I post this letter to China here?
May I post this letter to China here?
我可以在这里往中国寄信吗？
May I post this letter to China here?
May I post this letter to China here?
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
邮费是多少钱？
How much is the postage?
How much is the postage?
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
别忘记贴邮票。
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
Don't forget to attach the stamp.
I need a 100-cent stamp.
I need a 100-cent stamp.
我需要一张100美分的邮票。
I need a 100-cent stamp.
I need a 100-cent stamp.
I lost my passbook.
I lost my passbook.
我的存折丢了。
I lost my passbook.
I lost my passbook.
I can't find my card.
I can't find my card.
我的银行卡找不着了。
I can't find my card.
I can't find my card.
I think my bank card was stolen.
I think my bank card was stolen.
我觉得我的银行卡被偷了。
I think my bank card was stolen.
I think my bank card was stolen.
When did you lose it?
When did you lose it?
您什么时候丢的？
When did you lose it?
When did you lose it?
When can I get my new card?
When can I get my new card?
我什么时候能领新卡？
When can I get my new card?
When can I get my new card?
I want to close my account.
I want to close my account.
我想销户。
I want to close my account.
I want to close my account.
How much do you want to send?
How much do you want to send?
您想要汇多少钱？
How much do you want to send?
How much do you want to send?
How do I fill in the transfer order?
How do I fill in the transfer order?
怎么填写汇款单？
How do I fill in the transfer order?
How do I fill in the transfer order?
What is the rate?
What is the rate?
手续费是多少？
What is the rate?
What is the rate?
When will this remittance arrive?
When will this remittance arrive?
这些钱什么时候能到？
When will this remittance arrive?
When will this remittance arrive?
Thank you for seeing me off.
Thank you for seeing me off.
谢谢你来给我送行。
Thank you for seeing me off.
Thank you for seeing me off.
I'd like large bills, please.
I'd like large bills, please.
请给我大面额的现金。
I'd like large bills, please.
I'd like large bills, please.
Please fill in a withdrawal form.
Please fill in a withdrawal form.
请填写取款凭条。
Please fill in a withdrawal form.
Please fill in a withdrawal form.
Please show me your passbook.
Please show me your passbook.
请给我看一下您的存折。
Please show me your passbook.
Please show me your passbook.
I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.
我想存些钱。
I'd like to deposit some money.
I'd like to deposit some money.
Is there anything else I need to do?
Is there anything else I need to do?
我还需要其他的手续吗？
Is there anything else I need to do?
Is there anything else I need to do?
I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
我想要开个户。
I'd like to open an account.
I'd like to open an account.
May I open a current account?
May I open a current account?
我可以开个活期账户吗？
May I open a current account?
May I open a current account?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
我需要付服务费吗？
Do I have to pay a service charge?
Do I have to pay a service charge?
When can I be discharged?
When can I be discharged?
我什么时候可以出院？
When can I be discharged?
When can I be discharged?
How can I get discharged?
How can I get discharged?
怎么办理出院手续？
How can I get discharged?
How can I get discharged?
Please give me my bill.
Please give me my bill.
请给我结一下账。
Please give me my bill.
Please give me my bill.
How much should I pay?
How much should I pay?
我应该付多少钱？
How much should I pay?
How much should I pay?
I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
我想现金结账。
I'd like to pay in cash.
I'd like to pay in cash.
May I see the details of the bill?
May I see the details of the bill?
我可以看一下账单明细吗？
May I see the details of the bill?
May I see the details of the bill?
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
请给我一张发票。
Please give me a receipt.
Please give me a receipt.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
你感觉怎么样？
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Are you feeling well now?
Are you feeling well now?
你现在感觉好吗？
Are you feeling well now?
Are you feeling well now?
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
放轻松。
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
You look better than before.
You look better than before.
你看起来比之前好多了。
You look better than before.
You look better than before.
These fruits are for you.
These fruits are for you.
这是给你带的水果。
These fruits are for you.
These fruits are for you.
I brought you some flowers.
I brought you some flowers.
我给你带了一些花。
I brought you some flowers.
I brought you some flowers.
The doctor helps me a lot.
The doctor helps me a lot.
医生很关心我。
The doctor helps me a lot.
The doctor helps me a lot.